sa Trust Reproductive Health Choices. At ang foundation din po na ito ay nagseserbisyo sa mga communities through the Service Outreach and Distribution Extension Program o yung tinatawag nga po nating SODEX. Palakpakan po natin ang DKT. Ay, hindi ko marinig. Ayan, marami pong salamat. At this point, I'd like to ask our speakers and Peace Foundation's Voluntary Surgical Contraception Lead Surgeon, Dr. Luis Garcia Jr. And our next guest is the Honorable Mayor of Binangonan, Rizal. Maraming salamat sa kanya for allowing us to use this venue for this momentous event. Please give a warm welcome to Honorable Mayor Cesar Inares. And our next guest, she's the Director of Programs of DKT Philippines Foundation. Palakpakan po natin, Ms. Loida Almendares. Next is the Chair of the Board of DKT Philippines Foundation. Please give a warm round of applause for Ms. Denise Van Dyke. We're lucky to have him with us today. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a joyful welcome to the Department of Health Undersecretary, Dr. Glenn Matthew Bagao. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, let's show our appreciation to our esteemed guests. Mga private companies, katulad po sa ginawa ng DKT Philippines.
Ngayong umaga, I extend warm welcome sa inyong lahat sa pagsisimula ng Service Outreach and Distribution Extension ng SODEX na hatid sa atin ng DKT Foundation. Palakpakan natin ang DKT, ngayon lang tayo naka-witness ng ganitong klaseng preparation. It's a big, nice preparation ng kanilang program. Ang ating pagtitipon sa araw na ito ay isang representation ng ating commitment to ensuring success to crucial family planning services, particularly focusing on long-acting and permanent contraception. As the accessibility to healthcare services remain a challenge for many, initiatives such as this are truly commendable. Hatid nito ang mahalagang serbisyo upang magkaroon ng ating komunidad ng maayos na reproductive health and family planning. Through this program, we can ensure that men and women have the knowledge and resources to make informed choices about their reproductive health. By doing so, we empower them to shape their futures according to their own aspirations.
To see if you're going to laugh really loud or say, oh, there might be hope for this woman in the Philippines. So, mga kailangang galang na panuin, mga ka-partners, aming mga beneficiaryo at mga kaibigan, buong lugot ko kayong tinantanggap sa paglubunsat ng kauna-unang DKT Foundation Mobile Clinic. I'm sure my team will tell me later how bad I was with the pronunciation. So it is such a pleasure again to welcome you here today again at this historic event. DKT is actually a social enterprise that started social marketing about 30 years ago. We are currently active in 90 low and middle income countries all over the world, and we leverage private sector to ensure that we offer affordable and accessible sexual and reproductive products, services, and rights to some of the most vulnerable populations all over the world. Now, DKT Philippines also already started 30 years ago. By a show of hands, who here knows Trust Condoms? Yes, exactly. So Trust Condoms was one of the first affordable condoms in private sector in the Philippines and was launched by DKT Philippines. A package of 3 condoms can be as low as 25 pesos because, again, we want to make sure that people have affordable quality access to products. Of the last 30 years, DKT and the Trust Reproductive Health Choices brand has really developed to be the main contraceptive choice for Filipinos all over the country. So right now, research from USAID shows that every 1 out of 2 contraceptive users in the Philippines uses one of the DKT or Trust products in the country. That
Fellow public servants, magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. As we journey towards universal healthcare, we would like to laud the initiative of DKT Philippines Foundation to inaugurate the Service Outreach and Distribution Extension Program mobile clinic in this place. And I think the first recipient of this mobile clinic is the town of Binangonan. So napakaswerte po ng Binangonan, and I was asking the DKT Foundation chairperson a while ago if we could expand this to the whole country. No? So I hope they will respond positively with this proposal that I have. The launch of the SODEX program mobile clinic underscores our unwavering commitment to ensuring that every Filipino, regardless of their location or socio-economic status, has access to quality healthcare service. By bringing essential medical healthcare directly to the Rizal community, we are breaking down barriers to healthcare access and empowering individuals to prioritize the health and well-being. Aligned with the 8-point health agenda of the Department of Health, headed by our beloved Secretary Ted Herbosa, particularly number 5, which is disease prevention and health promotion, sticks such as sexually transmitted infections and HIV prevention. Initiative reflects our dedication to preventive healthcare measures. Equipped with emergency care services and offering family planning commodities like non-scalpel vasectomy and ligation under the local anesthesia, this mobile clinic is poised to deliver a wide range of healthcare services, including medical consultations, preventive screenings, vaccinations, and health education programs.
Pastor Jason Bataycan of Christian Community Church and Municipal Spirit.
Botol! Go!